What do you do? I work in an office. I'm a teacher. I work as a nurse. I'm an engineer. I work for a bank. I'm a salesperson. I'm self-employed. I work from home. I run my own business. I'm a part-time worker. I have a full-time job. I'm looking for a new job. I'm currently unemployed. I just started a new job. I've been working here for 5 years. I work Monday to Friday. I usually start at 9 a.m. I finish work at 6 p.m. I sometimes work overtime. My job is very busy. My job is interesting. I like my job. My job is a bit stressful. I work with a great team. I have friendly coworkers. My boss is very kind. I go to the office by train. I walk to work. I work near my house. I have meetings every day. I usually eat lunch at my desk. I sometimes travel for work. I work in customer service. I help customers with questions. I write emails every day. I answer phone calls at work. I use a computer all day. I enjoy solving problems. I like learning new skills. I want to improve my English for work. I'm planning to change jobs. I got promoted last month. I'm working on a big project. I have a lot of deadlines. I sometimes work on weekends. I'm happy with my current job. I want to start my own company someday. What kind of job do you have? Do you enjoy your work?